Now for problem 2. A 21 kilogram child is riding a 5.9 kilogram bike at a speed of 4.5 meters per second to the northwest. Okay? So we have 3 different parts here. So we're going to solve this in 3 parts. A, what is the total momentum of the child and the bike together? Right? Total momentum. Now, we know that momentum is equal to mass times velocity. Well, we have to ask ourselves, what mass? The mass of the child and the bike together. So, to get the mass that we're actually going to plug into the equation, we need to add the 2 masses. So, my mass is going to be equal to the 21 kilograms plus the, 5.9 kilograms. And that's going to give me a total mass of 26.9 kilograms. Now, I can use this mass and go plug that into, it's a beautiful arrow, don't let anyone tell you different, and plug that into M for mass. So that's going to look like momentum is equal to, what did I write down? 26.9 kilograms. And then I'm going to multiply that by the velocity, 4.5 meters per second. And again, my calculator is going to tell me something on the close to 121.05. Right? Well, that's too many sig figs. I need to round this to just 2 sig figs. You'll see that each value that I'm given by the question just has 2 sig figs. So my answer needs to have 2 sig figs as well. So I'm going to round my answer so that I can report it with 2 significant figures. And that's going to be 1.2 times 10 to the second kilogram meters per second. And this is going to be north west. Moving on to part B, the momentum of just the child by itself. Here, I am actually having a lot easier time because I don't have to add anything. The mass of the child, where is it? 21 kilograms, right? So again, momentum is equal to the mass multiplied by the velocity. In this case, there's only one thing that I'm considering, the momentum of the child. So I just need to use the mass of the child, so 21 kilograms, multiply that by that same velocity, 4.5 meters per second. And again, your calculator is going to want to give you more significant figures than you ought to use. If memory serves, it wants to give you 3, so like 94.5. No. We only have values given to us by this problem with 2 sig figs. So our answer can only have 2 sig figs. So, unless we're going to use that arcane rule, I think, we can go 94 or 95. I'm sure someone will get mad at me for not taking a firm stance on that. But we do need to be firm about 2 sig figs in our answer. And then part C. Do the same thing. What is the momentum of just the bike? Again, momentum is equal to mass multiplied by velocity. In this particular part of the problem, I'm only dealing with the mass of the bike. So when I go to actually plug in my values, I'm going to use the 5.9 kilograms. Again, it is moving at a velocity of 4.5 meters per second. And with the appropriate 2 significant figures, I'm going to report 27 kilograms times meters per second, and again, going north west. Now, bonus question, what do you think you get if you were to add the momentum of the child to the momentum of the bike? That's right, you would get the momentum of the child and the bike together. Yay! Happy times.